that high. Over to you.
They're lucky, but so many other communities aren't, right?
Exactly.
With the rivers that are going to continue to rise right into July. And as we head into the end of the week, we start wrapping up June, we have our next system coming ashore. There it is. This is a water vapor showing us what's happening in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. Now let's show you what this is graphically. There's your vorticity. This is going to become spinning into the northwest, and you still see energy that keeps getting fed into it. And that means that we are going to see storms developing where you see that and also ahead of it. That's the mid to upper levels down at the surface. So I always say the atmosphere is like a hamburger. At the surface, you have your bottom bun. And then as you head up towards, say, like the tomato layers where you see that piece of energy, everything is going to be pulling east as we head into tomorrow. So showers and storms from Kansas up into Montana. And that's where we actually could see some really big hail. Yesterday, we had 90-mile-an-hour winds in Nebraska. We had 4-inch hail. 2.5-inch hail, big hail, so we could see that again, and also damaging winds over 75 miles an hour. Moisture is going to return ahead of this, so we're going to tap into that. All that buoyant air, all that heating, all that energy in the atmosphere is going to kick off some of those thunderstorms tomorrow evening, and so watch for it to kind of develop throughout the day. We've got some winds, but not a ton of winds. That's why our tornado threat isn't off the charts. But there are your showers moving right over these rivers yet again, and then you see it really kind of develop here in that warm sector as we head into the evening hours, and everything continues to push eastbound. Jordan.
Woo, look at that go, the rain.
We have storms that are traveling, and they are crossing through Oklahoma, swinging through Missouri, swinging into Tennessee. Very heavy rain, severe thunderstorm warnings in and around Tulsa, Oklahoma, with some gusty winds associated with this. Look at that, 60-mile-an-hour winds in Adair. You can even see the outflow coming out of this too, and that means just some stronger winds pushing ahead. Sometimes you can have storms develop along those outflows, but notice Creek, Osage, and Tulsa until 8:30. You're under severe thunderstorm warning. Fayetteville, it's just coming into you. Fort Smith, this is headed in your direction. So be aware that these storms have the history of producing strong winds and hail as well. It's coming into West Plains and Missouri, here into the Ozarks, Branson, a big area that people travel during the summertime. And it looks like this morning is not going to be great for some of those lake activities that we have. Severe thunderstorm watch till 11. And I just want to warn you, in the northeast, we'll get storms this afternoon into the eastern lakes and then the I-95 corridor as we head into the evening hour and into the overnight hours as well. New York, we're starting at 4, 5, 6. There's a smattering of storms, but see, right around 10 o'clock is when we are going to get nailed here along the I-95 corridor. Jordan.
Heat is helping.